Hey gamers and professionals, check out the MageGee Wireless Gaming Keyboard featuring a full-size 104-key layout with vibrant RGB LED backlighting you can customize with multiple modes like breathing and horse racing. This keyboard offers a quiet, soft membrane feel with mechanical-like tactile feedback and a stable 2.4G wireless connection that works up to 33 feet away. It includes an ergonomic wrist rest and adjustable stand to keep you comfortable during long gaming or work sessions. The rechargeable battery supports smart energy-saving modes, lasting up to 32 hours with backlighting on and automatically sleeping when idle. With full anti-ghosting N-key rollover, it registers multiple simultaneous key presses for smooth gameplay and productivity. Plus, 12 convenient multimedia hotkeys provide quick access to music, volume, and more on Windows and Mac systems. Experience a wireless keyboard that blends style, comfort, and performance for all your computing needs. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.